Welcome to the Great Garden channel. We help your garden stay lush, healthy, and blooming all year round. In today's video, I'll share an extremely simple method for orchid recovery, using only familiar kitchen ingredients that anyone can easily apply. After just a short time, you'll see a clear revival in your plant. White, plump, healthy new roots. Fresh green leaves that become firm and glossy again. And most importantly, the plant may even produce buds, send up flower spikes, and bloom more beautifully than you expect. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss out on simple yet effective orchid care tips. Let's get started right away. To make this fertilizer, we need 1 potato. Separate the potato into 2 parts, the flesh and the peel, as shown in the video. The potato flesh can be used to prepare delicious dishes such as French fries, soups, or stews, both economical and waste-free. Don't rush to throw the potato peels into the trash. Instead, make use of them to create fertilizer for your orchids. First, I use scissors to cut the potato peels into small pieces and put them into a blender. Potato peels contain potassium, calcium, and vitamins E, B, and C, which help keep orchid leaves green, thick, and healthy, boost resistance, and reduce common problems such as fungal and bacterial diseases. Next, add 400 milliliters of water and close the lid of the blender. And now, I will blend everything until it is well mixed and becomes a smooth mixture. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. After blending the potato peels, you will notice that the liquid turns a characteristic cloudy color, as shown in the video. Next, I strain out the residue and keep only the concentrated liquid for use. After straining, we will obtain the potato peel residue like this. I don't throw this residue away right away. Instead, I reuse it for a second recipe, which is both economical and helps the plants receive additional nutrients. I add 500 milliliters of clean water to this residue. Next, stir well until the mixture is evenly dissolved. After that, cover it and let the solution sit for 1 hour. I then pour this filtered solution into a spray bottle and mist it evenly over the orchid, including the leaves, stems, roots, and even the leaf axils. Misting allows potassium, calcium, vitamins B and C, and other natural nutrients from the potato peels to be evenly absorbed by the entire plant. Helping to boost resistance and reduce bacteria, mold, and other harmful agents. The solution also makes the leaves greener and shinier, thicker and firmer, improves photosynthesis, and promotes balanced, healthy growth from the roots to the tips. You should spray once a week during the first month, then reduce it to once a month to maintain long-term effectiveness. After spraying, let the plant rest for about 15 minutes so the leaves and roots can absorb the nutrients. If water remains on the leaves or in the leaf axils, gently wipe it off with a soft cloth or clean cotton to prevent creating a favorable environment for fungal diseases. Once the leaves are completely dry, the plant will be better protected, reducing the risk of leaf rot and crown rot, and maintaining a healthy state with thick, glossy, vibrant leaves. Similar to orchid care, pour the potato peel solution into a spray bottle and lightly mist it evenly over the entire anthurium plant. When spraying, be sure to mist both the upper and underside of the leaves so the solution can adhere evenly and work most effectively. After 1 hour, when the nutrients from the potato peels have infused into the water, I water the orchids at the base. First, I pour the diluted potato peel extract solution into a dedicated watering container. Next, water gently around the base of the orchid so the solution slowly soaks into the growing medium, allowing it to directly reach the entire root system. Potato peels provide potassium, calcium, vitamins B and C, and other natural nutrients, helping stimulate new root growth, restore weak roots, and enhance the plant's ability to absorb water and nutrients. You should apply this watering method once a week. When the plant becomes stable and grows well, you can reduce it to 1 to 2 times per month to maintain long-term health. During watering, proceed slowly and use just enough water to avoid waterlogging, keep the growing medium well aerated, and help the roots absorb nutrients as effectively as possible. Next, I will show you a very simple method, using vinegar to wipe the orchid leaves. I add 1 tablespoon of vinegar to a cup, then fill the cup with clean water to dilute it. Diluting the vinegar helps reduce its acidity, preventing leaf burn or damage to the plant during use. This diluted vinegar solution is mild enough to clean the leaf surface, providing light antibacterial and antifungal effects while helping orchid leaves look shinier and healthier. Vinegar contains natural acetic acid, which helps remove dust, mineral residues, and long-standing buildup on the leaves, while also inhibiting bacteria and fungi and repelling certain harmful insects. When used correctly and at the proper concentration, vinegar also helps orchid leaves become glossier, improves photosynthesis, reduces the risk of leaf rot, and keeps the plant green and healthy. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. Results. After applying this method for a period of time, the most noticeable improvement is the root system. New roots grow continuously with plump, firm green tips, clear signs that the plant is absorbing potassium, vitamins, and minerals very effectively from the potato peels. Combined with the natural acetic acid from diluted vinegar, the root environment becomes cleaner, bacteria and fungi are reduced, and the plant recovers faster and grows more steadily. The leaves also show clear improvement. Orchid leaves turn a deeper green, with a glossy surface and thicker, firmer texture. Leaves that were once dull and lifeless become fuller and more vibrant, indicating that the plant is being properly nourished during its recovery stage. Diluted vinegar also helps remove mineral buildup on the leaves, supporting more efficient photosynthesis. For plants that previously grew slowly, new shoots begin to emerge from the base. In some pots, new flower spikes even start to appear and grow strong and tall, showing that the plant has stabilized and is ready to enter its next blooming cycle. Each flower that blooms is not only naturally beautiful, but also the result of patience, gentle care, and the right choice of natural nutrients. How do you feel about this natural orchid care method? Have you ever used potato peels or vinegar for your orchids? Share your experience in the comments. I'd love to hear stories from your garden. If you find this content helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Great Garden She's channel so we can continue this journey together through simple yet effective plant care tips. Thank you for watching, and see you again in our next green adventure.